Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Richa and today we are going to be making a choco lava cake. So let's see what all things we need to make an instant choco lava cake. Alright, so here I am taking 100 grams of biscuit. For this I have taken 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, some powder sugar, and this is melted chocolate which I am going to freeze in the refrigerator. Alright, so I'm taking this biscuit and I'm going to grind this in a mixer. So our biscuit is grinded properly and I'm going to mix it together. So I'm going to add all the dried ingredients to it. And I'm using about, as per my choice, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, so I'm gonna be using about half a cup of milk and give it a good mix and make a batter like consistency, and if needed we can add more milk to it. So like I said before, I'm going to this melted chocolate, half of it I'm going to use in the batter and half of it I'm going to freeze. Okay, so I have already freezed half of the portion and then we will be using it later. So in the entire batter I forgot to mention that oil, I have also added 1 tablespoon of oil. So friends, once you're making it, please don't forget to add this. Okay, see if it's like it. Okay, this is almost done and now I'm going to transfer this into the molds, and I have already preheated my oven at 180 degrees and I'm going to keep this at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Okay, so now I have put the batter inside the mold and I'm now going to put the chocolate in between and cover it up with the rest of the batter and put this for 10 minutes for baking. Okay, so now 10 minutes are over and our choco lava cake is almost done. I'm going to slightly run a knife through the mold and I'm going to transfer this to a plate. Just be careful, it is too hot. And there you go. And I'm going to sprinkle some chocolate, some powdered sugar, and there you go. I hope you like this recipe. Please try it and let me know. Thank you, and I'll come back with some other exciting recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.